Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, we're going to do this outside today. I thought, why not? It's a beautiful day. It's a little overcast, so that will give you a look at this color and a little overcast today. But I just thought it'd be something different, and why not? This is Ellen Wille LIA. Now, this is new. It is part of the Changes collection. This color is Sahara Beige Rooted. I want you to see that. Look how pretty this color is. I like this light golden brown of Sahara Beige Rooted. I think it's so pretty. And then it has this smallest amount of light strawberry blonde going all the way through. And I think you can see it on the rooting. Now this is a sleek, no permatease wig. These are heat-friendly fibers, so you could add some wave into this if you wanted to, but I think it's pretty just like this. It's got these blunt ends, as you can see. They're kind of razored on the ends. Really sleek. No permatease, like I said, running through here. I like this, that it's below the jawline. That's a flattering shape and a flattering length for most face shapes. These beautiful Ellen Wille fibers. Now, if you choose to use heat on this, keep your styling tools under 260 degrees. Now, I found that this fell in my face just a little bit when I first took it out of the box. You could steam this off your face, of course, if you'd like, and I have just spray it just like you've seen me do many times right there, just to kind of keep it out of my face. But like I said, you could easily steam this. It has a mini lace front right there. We call that a mini lace front. Just runs from there to there, so it gives you that natural look right at the part right there. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap, of course, but I just want to let you get a look at Leah. So again, like I said, this has this mini lace front, a mono part, really pretty. Now the fit and the coverage, there's the coverage, really good coverage on both sides, the ear tabs right at the top of my ear. I did not do any adjusting to this wig. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and I have not had to adjust it at all. The front of this is 9 1/4 inches. The crown down is 9 1/2. The sides are 8 1/2. It has a 3 1/2 inch nape, and it comes in at 3.6 ounces. Let's see how it looks. I'm just going to put it on with the headband, of course. And this is so sleek. You can easily wear this behind your ears. No problem at all there. If you don't have time to steam it, you can always pull it back. I just have a little barrette here. Always just pull it back off your face with any kind of hair clip or barrette. Easy to do that. I have one more headband, because you know I love a headband. Pretty. I do enjoy these wigs that are sleek enough just to wear behind your ears like that on one side, or you can, I tend to take this front and run that part right behind my ear and wear it like that. I think it looks cute like that, easy to wear, really pretty. Let's look at the inside of the cap. Okay, here's a look at the inside of the cap. Here is that mini lace front into a mono part like we talked about, open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. And there's some stretch here. And I just want you to get another look at Sahara Beige Rooted. Okay guys, thanks for joining me today, and thanks for joining me in my backyard today. You know, I have coffee with the Crazywiglady, where we sit out here on my porch and we have a chat. So I thought, why not do a full review outside today? So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me lots of comments below, and I hope you will have a look at all of the new styles from Ellen Wille. I believe there are 5, and I have one more I'll be showing you, so stay tuned for that. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.